Welcome to Advancing Pharma Innovation, the Science Series. In this episode of Behind the Process, we explore the ideal method for cleaning POLYOX resins from high shear mixers, ensuring efficiency, safety, and compliance. Step 1. Begin with dry cleaning. Remove as much residual POLYOX resin as possible using a vacuum cleaner suitable for powders. Avoid using water at this stage. Dry removal is key to preventing gelling or clogging. Step 2. Flush the area with a non-solvent such as isopropyl alcohol, in which the POLYOX resin is not soluble. Ensure a thorough flush to prepare for the final wash. Step 3. Wash with water. Hot water works best, as POLYOX resins are not soluble in near boiling water, making this step effective for removing any final traces. Following these 3 steps ensures effective removal of POLYOX resins and leaves your high shear mixer clean and ready for the next batch. In formulation science, every step matters. Skipping the isopropyl alcohol rinse may seem minor, but it can lead to major challenges. Trust the science, follow the process, and ensure your equipment is always clean, efficient, and ready for innovation.